Kuya started out with
Hindi naman po kasi ako nag-decide nothing but yun po yung ibigay sa akin nila to ibigay reason why not get that opportunity. But sana po ma-execute.
Pwede ba kayo bigyan ng idea how strict yung kuya mo kasi
How strict?
like bawal may curfew ba? Siya yung parang dad.
Yeah, no. Gets ko na eh. Kahit wala po siya sabihin, titignan lang niya ako. Tapos, alam ko na yun. Quiet na. Yeah, si Kuya very strict.
Sorry naman.
And, you know, there's ups and downs and he's just looking out for us.
Guys, sa tingin nyo, ano yung advantage and disadvantage ng isang anak o kapatid ng sikat na artist?
Advantage.
And disadvantage?
Advantage. I'd say, since kilala na sila, since sikat na sila, yung noise nila pupunta sa amin. Pero yung disadvantage, I guess, parang you have to fill in for their boots, you have to fill in their shoes. Na parang they've accomplished so much. Like, si Kuya Daniel, it's needless to say na Tita Angel ko, yung kuya niya, yung lahat ng mga pamilya namin, they've accomplished so much. So, we have to, it's our inherent job to, to match that. So, that's the disadvantage.
How about you, Carmen?
I think yung advantage namin is unlike other yung mga nagsisimula pa lang po, you know, as in gapang na gapang po sila. Well, sa amin, sa situation po namin, andyan na po yung tita niya, yung kuya ko, mom ko, and like, dahil po doon nagkaroon kami ng opportunities, which is ang dapat hindi po namin dapat i-take advantage and hindi po namin pwede na ibaliwala or just chill lang, get spoon feed. So, yeah, yung disadvantage naman po is titignan kami as a like sport kids na parang nepo babies. For me, nepo babies isn't a bad thing for me kasi pinaghirapan ng parents. Yeah, it's a blessing. And yeah, I think yun na siguro kung paano mag-isip siguro sa social media.
Gano'n po yung handle yung mga bashing, mga bashers?
Slater Young. Actually, napakadaming episodes.
Si Vic lang ang nag-rec.
Yung edition niya. Opo, pinanood ko lahat ng mga clips niya. He's a big, I like him as a housemate. Si Maymay. What?
Wala.
Si Maymay.
Si
Maymay.
Si Maymay. As in from the bottom up, he made it as a good singer also. I'm a big fan of Maymay. Kaibigan ko po si Charlie, si Rico. I'm also a big fan of Charlie.
But how do you want to be remembered as an actor?
A good one. Yes. I'm very particular with yung mga acting. Yes po. I love acting as an art. Talaga. So, I'd wanna do my best always.
Ano yung acting method?
Just do it. Say the line as the character. Simple lang. Overcomplicate things. That's my style.
Kanina you've mentioned na si Miss Angel Locsin po yung mentor niyo po in acting. Gaano po siya kaiba sa pagiging step-mom mo po and as a mentor?
Well, yung mga advices na binibigay niya, parang, di ba, sikat siya and she's done all this and that. So, it's like, it's not like she's like a mentor and she's a stepmom, separate, She just like tells me advice, like, oh, you know what, you should do that. Ganun. Natural lang.
Kamusta pala yung kagabi nung nabalita mo na nasa viral?
Oh my God. Gulat ako nun. Actually, like, hindi sinabi sa akin na i-repost na yung lunch post ko. So, actually, I was just scrolling on Instagram lang sa kotse. Tapos biglang nakita ko, nag-pop up, story ni Tita Angel. Ko, what? Like, as in, ako din, nabiglaan, na surprise. Like, she broke her silence for so long, especially in Instagram, right? Just to repost, my lunch post. Like, I'm so grateful to her. Even if, kahit stepmom ko siya, fan din ako.
Message mo siya after nung makita mo yung post. Did you message her?
I did. She said, yeah, anytime. I said thank you.
Before nung pumunta ka dito, nag-message ka rin sa kanya or anything na conversation?
She told me she'll be watching.
Any message kaya?
Kaya Tita Angel.
Yeah.
I hope I'm living up to your standards.
About your upcoming project, meron na,
Kung may nakalimutan.
kung may mga nakalinya ba na bagong
Maliban dun sa nagawa mo.
yeah.
Upcoming projects. Maliban dun sa
Yes,
nagawa mo.
upcoming project siya. Actually, sponsored siya by Mido. Pero wala pa akong billing galing sa marketing. So, for now, that's it.
And we can wait to watch you sa mga projects.
Thank you so much.
Congrats!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So nakita ko siya, na-inspire ako sa kanya. So, talaga bashi. Wala.
First sa
Normal
love
lang
team,
naman.
ready ka naman.
Love team?
Ay.
Ay, sorry.
Sino ba yung crush mo dito ngayon?
Dito?
Parang, yung nasa harap mo ba yung kanina?
Saan ba siya?
Nasaan ba siya?
Kilala na namin.
Sino? Hindi, joke lang. De, pero, ayun, PBBs, we never know, never say no. So, yun, open lang ako. Thanks.
Additional, ano yung parang magiging like moniker mo if ever kung makakapasok ka in PBB?
Moniker?
Are yung parang
Title mo.
Title?
or parang
Wala, hindi ko pa naisip yun eh. Hindi ko pa naisip yun. Ang goal ko lang talaga makapasok ng bahay and then pagtapos yun, diba? So, hindi ako familiar dun sa
naman na mag-JB.
big winners. Siyempre, pag nandun, competitive ako eh. I mean, I play basketball. So, siyempre, pag nakapasok na, malalaman ko na yung mga ano niyan, yung ano bang games, lahat, diba? So, I'm a competitive person. So, hindi ko na nasasabihin. Pero,
Aside from the young talents in Star Magic, sino pa yung mga gusto mo makasama since you are now in the industry?
sorry po, ano po yan?
Since aside from the young talents from Star Magic, sino yung mga gusto mong makatrabaho since you are now in the industry?
My dad. My dad, Jody Santa Maria. Siyempre, those names they're pretty big. So, siyempre, I mean, na-mention ng mga co-artists ko rin naman ngayon dito na you gotta put in the work. Siyempre, kailangan deserving, di naman agad-agad magkakaganyan, diba? So, workshop yan and everything. So, yun, si Jody Santa Maria, James Blanco, yan. Yung dalawang yun, gusto mong maka-work talaga.
What kind of project?
With my dad, di ko pa naisip. Pero kung sa dad ko, more on drama. Alam mo kasi yung dad ko, more on nag-MMK siya. Magaling siya sa mga ganun. So gusto kong maka-work siya sa ganun level. Tapos si Jody Santa Maria, more on the wholesome. More on like traveling siguro ba yan? Or hindi ko alam eh. Pero drama, gusto ko i-try drama talaga.
If ever magkaroon kayo ng project ni Angelina Cruz,
Ay, kayong ngiti.
ano yun?
Rom-com syempre.
Ah.
Rom-com. Gusto ko rom-com pagka may ka-love team.
Bukod kay
Ah,
Angelina,
love team.
may
Edi,
gusto
wait
ka pa-
lang.
Uy!
May love team narinig
Ano,
ko. Edi
ano?
gusto mo maging ka-love team si Angelina Cruz.
Uy, wala akong sinasabi ah. Basta open lang yung pintuan. Yun.
Bukod kay Angelina, may gusto ka bang family artist na makatrabaho?
Love team? Dito? Or ano?
Pangbuo na.
Abang
Star
mo
Magic.
lahat na? Hindi ko pa naisip eh.
Or kahit makapareha lang.
Yeah,
Wala talaga. I mean ako, honestly, naganda lang ako kay Angelina. Kaya maganda talaga. I mean guys, come on. So, yun. Si Angelina.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Congrats!
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Joaquin, gabi ka kagabi. You were trending last night when your stepmom, Miss Angel Locsin, said that, and I quote, she can't wait to work with you. Wow. So, how do you see yourself working with her? And what can you say about her being a supportive stepmom?
Before I answer, I'd just like to thank everybody. So, maraming salamat po. Kahit bumabagyo at bumabaha, thank you for coming. What can I say about her working with me? Well, right now, I can't say for sure whether we're gonna have a project or not. But maybe, if I act well enough, maybe I'll get on her level. Baka magkaroon ako ng karapatan para magkatrabaho ko po si Tita Angel.
So gusto mong i-earn yung right to work with her. You wanna earn
It's a
it.
need, it's a need.
Okay, so if ever you're gonna work with her, ano yung nakikita mong project? What's it gonna be like?
Well, based on her career and like the project she's done, action for sure. Action for sure.
Ikaw
But
si
I'm
Ding.
open to anything.
Sorry. Kasi Darna si Angel, di ba? Gusto mo yung Ding. Action? Anong kind of action?
And siguro barilan.
Barilan,
Suntukan.
ganun.
Yes po.
Oh.
Pero I'm open to any genre.
Alright. Thank you very much, Joaquin. And now for Carmela. Now that you're finally following the footsteps of your mom and brother, how did they react when you told them that you want to join showbiz too? And what advice or reminders did they give you? Kanina during contract signing, medyo nakakarinig kami ng matinding pilitan, more on your kuya. So kwentuhan mo naman kami, Lela.
Yes, of course, they were happy naman po and proud naman sila. But, yeah, sila mama, sila kuya, pinagsabihan lang din ako na hindi daw po talaga madali pumasok here sa showbiz. So, if gusto ko daw po talaga, I really need to put 100% effort, energy, and dapat gusto ko po talaga. And yeah, si kuya po kasi very protective. And since naranasan na niya po dito lahat, so wina-warningan lang niya din po ako in some way. And yeah, yun.
So, nag-yes ba siya agad o pinilit mo talaga
Pinilit
si
ko
kuya?
po talaga si kuya. Actually, si mama din. Tinatry din niya po pilitan si kuya. Kasi, yeah, very strict ka na.
Gaano katagal nangyari itong pilitan? Tsaka paano mo
Since
siya convince?
2 years na po ata. Since yung first ever ABS-CBN Star Magic Games ko pa po. From there, pinipilit ko na po si kuya. Till now. Then now, nawala na siya ng choice kasi nag-18 na. Yeah, but okay naman po now. He's very proud. I think he's watching. Hi, kuya.
Yay! Thank you po sa pagpayag, Mr. Daniel Padilla. So, yun pala yung nagpapayag sa kanya, yung age. Kasi wala na siya magawa, 18 ka na. Okay, ngayon naman, itong question ay mula kay Daniel, hindi Padilla, Daniel Villapando of Star Express. And I will read the question. This is for Angelina. Your mom, Sunshine Cruz, has balanced a successful career with raising 3 daughters. How has her strength and resilience inspired your own ambitions?
Honestly, she inspired me to work hard and that juggling 2 things is possible. She was able to juggle both being a mother and being a career woman. So I was inspired to, at first, juggle yung career ko as an endorser, as a singer, and being a student. And so she really inspired me to also graduate. So I'm able to fully prioritize yung career ko.
Uy, congratulations! Palakpakan naman natin. Kaka-graduate lang din ni Angelina. What was your course again?
Marketing management.
Marketing management. Yes, congratulations.
Thank you.
And now this question is for Christoph. Growing up with parents like Ms. Gladys Reyes and Mr. Christopher Rojas, how have they influenced your approach to music and showbiz?
Again, another really good question, no? Growing up with parents like Miss Gladys Reyes and Sir Christopher Rojas, I would have to say they influenced my approach in music, in showbiz, in many ways. Unang-una, Dad was a big influence growing up, especially when it came to my musical taste and music dynamic. He introduced me to playing guitar. And I cannot be any more thankful sa kanya for doing that kasi talaga doon nagsimula lahat for me. It opened me to it opened so many doors for me, and I cannot be any more grateful for it, no. And of course, mom is the more showbiz of them too. So she already lectures me on a lot in terms of presenting myself and everything under the sun, no. I would have to say the way they influenced my music. It's let's just say there's a lot of yung rock, the rock element nanggaling yun kay Dad, and the way how I like to deliver myself in stage and how I like to connect with an audience nanggaling yun kay Mom for sure. And I would have to say na without the two of them, there would definitely be no musician in their family.
Very musical nga ang family nyo. Nakikita ko yung mga posts yun, minsan may mga karaoke sessions kayo and all, di ba? Pero let's talk about your rock background. Kasi hindi lahat ng kabataan ngayon, hindi marami yung nagiging interesado na sa rock. But ikaw, isa ka sa mga representatives ng mga nagtataas ng bandera ng rock lovers. Sino-sino yung mga artists na nag-influence sa'yo?
Well, ako actually I'm more into the Beatles.
Ooh.
I also like Queen. You know, the